This quality washing machine from Candy is ideal if you're looking for an eco-friendly model with smart technology to take care of your laundry. It has a 1600 RPM spin speed, an A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Candy's Smart Touch technology means this model can be remotely controlled using your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the app for free onto your smart device. You can then turn your machine on and off, choose your wash cycle, and even monitor your laundry's progress. So, when you'd rather spend time in the garden or out with friends, you can have perfectly clean clothes without tending to the machine. The rapid wash programs are fantastic when you want a few items in a hurry. Select the 14-minute program to refresh a small pile of slightly dirty clothes. And when you want to wash that little bit more, simply increase the time to 30 or 59 minutes. This is perfect when you want to freshen up an outfit fast. If you're looking for an eco-friendly model with smart technology to take care of your laundry, this quality model from Candy is the one for you.